Vaccination schedule is used to auto-populate dates for vaccinations in the patient page. This schedule is already preloaded in IntelSys according to the MO guidelines. Go to the admin page. Click Details. Scroll down and click Vaccination Schedule. This is the number of months from date of birth. E.g., if set as 1, the vaccination date will be calculated 1 month from the date of birth. If 0 is set, it indicates the time of birth. If the vaccine has no schedule or can be given anytime, tick Unscheduled. This is the name of the vaccine. Specify the infections that the vaccine vaccinates against here. The vaccine needs to be tagged to the standard list of vaccines. This is to enable identification of the vaccines regardless of the vaccine name/brand differences. To add a new vaccine schedule, enter these details in the last line. It is important to tag the vaccine to the standard vaccine list to enable proper identification and tracking. Search for the vaccine from the standard vaccine list here. And select from the drop-down list. If required, multiple vaccines can be tagged to this vaccine, e.g. 3-in-1 vaccines. Search and select from the standard list. To remove from the selection list, click Remove. Click Add to save this vaccine schedule. To edit, make the required changes. And click Edit to save the changes. To delete, click Del. To see the standard list of vaccines, go to the inventory page. Click Vac. These are the standard list of vaccines. In the patient page, vaccine schedules can be auto-populated in Schedules. Auto-add vaccination dates will automatically fill in the dates of all vaccinations according to the vaccination schedule. The dates are calculated from the date of birth, using the number of months. That's it. You're done.